Hey guys, welcome back. Sorry it's been a while. It's been crazy busy, but because it's been busy, I've had a few extra bucks this year to spend on some item that's not a tool, so I bought a new bicycle. It is a Giant Defy Advanced 3 road bike. I haven't had a road bike in a little over 5 years, and then even before that I didn't get to ride very much because Tampa was terrible for road cycling, but I've been jonesing for a road bike. So I have a new one now. And I'll do a review on this bike soon. I won't have a chance to ride it for probably close to 3 more weeks to do a proper ride. But I did get some pedals for this bike. It's got some on there now, but these are pedals off of my mountain bike that I was using to set this up. But I got these iSSi. I'm guessing that's the name of it. Maybe there's some way to pronounce this. iSSi? I don't know. I'm going to say iSSi. I don't know. Got these pedals, which are the Flip2. I figured I'd unbox them here to show anybody who's interested. Now, you guys know this isn't my typical kind of video, talking about bikes and whatnot, but I figure if I can share a thing, I may as well do so. So anyway, here's the box. I haven't opened this at all yet, so I'm kind of probably destroying this. Hopefully I don't need to return it. It doesn't show up well on camera here, but this is, it's not yellow. It's, well, I guess kind of, it's like a safety yellow or a high vis yellow. Matches my crazy helmet. And if you guys have seen my Spooky, my other bicycle, it's the exact same color on there. And these pedals match the bike perfectly. So I figured they'd be nice to treat myself. See if this come out of the box here. So inside the box, we've got nothing else. The 2 pedals. They are not the lightest pedals. So if you're looking to have super light pedals, these are probably not the ones to get. They are probably on par with other metal road pedals that aren't like some kind of carbon setup. Now, the reason I got this pedal and as opposed to like a proper road pedal is that I'm going to use my mountain bike shoes pretty much all the time with this bike, and they use the SPD Shimano style cleats, and these pedals use the same type of cleats. It comes with some in the bag. I'll go to that bag in a second. See if I can get this off of here. It's got a big old zip tie around it that I'm going to have to cut with my knife. So let's see if I can do this without cutting my hand or scraping up my new pedals. That is cut. So here we go. Now the thing with these pedals is they're sort of shaped like a road pedal. They have the cleat just on one side, the connector, and the other side is like a platform pedal. So if you're just wearing normal shoes, you can just ride on this with like normal sneakers, which I kind of like. Because there's gonna be a lot of times when I just want to get on the bike and just like spin around the neighborhood or something. I don't want to have to get my shoes on, or maybe I'm just gonna ride somewhere and I'm just gonna go inside. These are gonna be awesome for that. But they do have the cleats on one side, and they're shaped sort of like a road pedal, so they kind of don't look super cheesy. Let me take a pedal off my bike here and we'll compare. So compared to a double-sided, like old school mountain bike SPD pedal, they're similar in weight by feel. Now I don't have my scale here to compare. These actually, the old ones are a little bit heavier. They do have more hardware on the other side, but on its own, it's not like a super light pedal, but it is a little bit lighter than the other one. So that's kind of good. So I'm gonna stick these on the bike and see how they look, and we'll be back in a second. All right, guys, so I've got one on my bike here. The color is a really nice match to the color on the bike. One thing I've noticed is right out of the box, they don't spin real easy. It's probably just a really new, very freshly grease-packed bearing, which is kind of making it feel snug. But it feels nice. So I don't know anything about the bearings in here. I'm assuming they're probably some kind of sealed bearing that just clamps in. But does have, I guess, a dual direction disengagement, which is nice. Some pedals you have to only move in a certain direction. I like them when you can disengage in either direction, because if you crash and your foot is clipped in, and you're laying on the side and your foot is stuck in the pedal, it is very, very hard to get your foot out if it only disengages in one direction. I know this from experience, guys. I haven't crashed on clipless pedals in a long time, but that is a thing that can happen. I do like that they've got the little gauge built in right here, so as you adjust it, it shows the tension. I'm sure a lot of other pedals have that, but my old mountain bike pedals do not. They don't have any kind of indication. You just sort of have to feel them out, adjust them until they feel right. So that's pretty neat. But I'm excited to try these out. Anyway, I figured just show you guys what they look like out of the box. And here's the little baggie they come with. It's just the cleats for your shoes if you need them. I don't need these, but yeah, pretty cool. So I'll take these for a ride in a little bit and we'll see how they are. All right, I'm back from a really quick 1 mile ride, and the pedals they feel great. I did turn the tension way down on them. I'm just used to my mountain bike pedals, which are much easier to release from. Just in the middle setting, they were actually pretty tricky to get out of. They felt like they were gonna start turning the cleats on my shoes. So I just turned them basically all the way down. And the lowest setting on these pedals is actually still tighter than my mountain bike pedals, which isn't too tight. Some people like that. For me, it's totally fine. My feet are pretty straight on the pedals, so I don't really ever have accidental disc clipping. What am I saying? I don't accidentally unclip from the shoes or from the pedals almost ever, even on my mountain bike, which is looser than this. So yeah, so far I like them. They do get dirty real easy. This is just a quick little ride here, and they're already like showing some scuff marks. So that's a thing to consider. You know, this might be a thing that I have to like touch up from time to time. I do have some paint this color, but overall they felt good. Oh, so that's a general look at these. This is an unboxing video, not a review video. I will do a review video on this pedals and the bike in probably about a month. Once I've had a chance to ride it, I won't get to do a serious ride until probably almost 3 weeks from now. So there it is. Now that I have a bike that can get me all over quickly, I'm going to start visiting some movie locations. And I live in LA, so there's movie locations all over the place. I've been wanting to visit all of them. Now I've got an excuse to ride the bike and visit the locations. I'll post those here. And I'll have lots of build videos coming up soon. This is not gonna take over my channel or anything like that. This is just, you know, this is the Gordon Tarpley channel. It's just the stuff that I do. It's not any one thing. But I do have a video coming out with some free 3D printable items. It'll be posted probably in the next couple days. So be on the lookout for that. If you're into bike stuff, let me know. I'll do more bike videos, but this is, you know, I figure I may as well share while I can, like I said before. So thanks for stopping by. If it was useful to you, great. If not, I'm sorry. More build videos soon. Bye.